Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be polishing my walnut cabinets as well as my appliances and straightening up my kitchen. Before we get started, I want to let you know that this video is in collaboration with the Lima sisters. Go tell them hi, let them know that I sent you, give their video a thumbs up and subscribe to their channel while you're there. I promise you won't regret it. They are some of the sweetest, most easygoing sisters and their content is always so good. So go take a look at what they've got to offer. So we're starting out by polishing and cleaning off my walnut cabinets. This is just the orange glow cleaner and polish. So we're just going to spray on a heavy amount and polish down my cabinets with a cloth. This is a pretty dirty job, so just be aware that if you use this cleaner, it does get everywhere and your floors and everything else will be pretty greasy as well as yourself. So I would recommend showering after as well as wiping everything down after. So this is just one quick path of the cabinets after I wiped them down on the bottom. You can see that it really made the cabinets pop. It made their wood grain just stand out. And this is just one quick pass. So it just brought my cabinets back to life, made them look so polished and so clean. And I'm so happy with this cleaner. I'll continue to use it. So as you guys know, I've been getting my life together in a mini series that I'm doing here on my channel. Every week I post a new video, getting my life together by decluttering and just cleaning up my home to make it more refreshing and, you know, basically getting all of those spots where I've shoved things and it's accumulated over time. I believe that I can breathe easier when things are decluttered, but also I felt like my kitchen needed some TLC as far as the cabinets went because they were disgusting, and we had some construction here about a year ago and I never really took the time to deep clean. So that's what I'm doing here, is I'm just polishing everything up, bringing it back to life. And then we'll continue on in my series in a couple of other rooms, as well as some floors and some rooms in my home that you've never seen before. So I hope that you'll continue to follow my journey doing all of that. I plan to have it done by spring, so hopefully you all can see the transition and then we can get into some projects that I have planned for around the house. But anyways, I hope that you'll subscribe because I'd really like you to follow along on that journey with me. And as you can see, this is the rag after I got through with all of the cabinets. It's pretty gross. And now we're moving on to wiping everything down because, like I said, it's super greasy. That stuff goes everywhere. This is my first time using it, so I wasn't aware that it would do that. So just giving y'all a heads up. If you buy this stuff, it is totally worth it, but you will have a mess on your hands afterwards when it comes to wiping everything down. So this holiday season, I had posted a hot cocoa bar that got a ton of attention, a ton of likes on it. So I really feel like you guys appreciated that content. So what I'm thinking about doing is moving all of this stuff and making a coffee bar. But I'm curious if that's something that you guys would be interested in seeing. I do paint some furniture and redo some furniture here on my channel. So would you prefer that I remodel something and make a coffee bar out of that? Or would you prefer that I just put it on my buffet or maybe update this area a little bit? Coffee is so important to me. It helps me get through the day. I love it. It's my little indulgent that I feel like I reward myself with every single day, and it's just so good. And I feel like I want a place where I can go and make whatever coffee that I want. That way I don't have to go to Starbucks all the time to get something that I'm craving for that particular day. So anyways, if you guys want to see a coffee bar transformation, please let me know in the comments below, as well as if you want to see something upcycled, painted, you know, something along those lines. So just let me know in the comments. But Next, we're gonna move on to my appliances. I'm just using some Lysol spray to sanitize and then wipe everything down. There was a ton of fingerprints on my stainless steel because we just had a football party. Go Chiefs, can't believe they're going to the Super Bowl. But anyways, I am just wiping everything down, getting the fingerprints off of it. And then we're gonna move on to my stovetop, which my husband actually did using the bartender's friend, I think is what it's called. Anyways, I'll show you a shot of it and that way you guys can get it. But this was a huge hit over on Instagram. Also, you guys picked out my sweatshirt on Instagram, so I appreciate y'all doing that. But if you love the tap to cleans or you love, picking out things or making choices for people, definitely follow me on Instagram. I've left my username down below, but I'd love for you guys to follow me over there as well as partake in my Instagram stories because I love including you guys in that, and it's so fun for me to see y'all's responses and everything like that. So definitely go follow me. But anyways, we're just polishing this as well as using a razor blade to scrape off some stuff that we had overflow. I think we were making noodles or potatoes or something starchy and it overflowed and it ended up leaving a burn ring. So we do get that off. But my husband's the cutest. He wanted to try out this stuff because he went to the store for me today while I was working. And so he's trying it out and he did a great job, and you'll see the after here shortly.
But I do what I like and I do as I please. Ooh, 'cause I was born in the 90s. But I do what I like and I do as I please. Ooh, 'cause I was born in the 90s. They don't believe I'm okay, but I'm impulsive, I'm not insane. High on life in the night, no anxiety. Well, I agree, life is great, but let me live it my own way. High on life in the night, no anxiety. But I live a lie, insecure, always on my phone. Yeah, I live a lie, don't really know how life was before. But I do what I like and I do as I please.
Alright y'all, that's it for this video. I hope you like the transformation of my polished cabinets and appliances as well as my stovetop. If you like this kind of content, please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below. I love comments. Those are probably one of my favorite things ever. And anyways, I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Live a lie, insecure, always on my phone. Yeah,